Forex, foreign exchange. EFT, electronic fund transfer. SEC, Security Exchange Commission. CAGR, compound annual growth rate. P&L, profit and loss. P/E, price to earnings ratio. IPO, initial public offering. NASDAQ, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotation. CMP, current market price. WC, working capital. CAS, consolidated account statement. IRA, individual retirement account. YTM, yield to maturity. EPS, earnings per share. PCM, performance change measure. CAPM, capital assets pricing model. MNC, multinational corporation. HDFC, Housing Development and Finance Corporation. USD, United States dollar. INR, Indian rupee. OEDG, open-ended equity diversified growth. ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. CRR, cash reserve ratio. AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India. CRISIL, Credit Rating and Information Services of India Limited. IDFC, Infrastructure Development Finance Company. SBI, State Bank of India. PAN, permanent account number. MF, mutual fund. UTI, Unit Trust of India. AMC, asset management company, LIC, life insurance corporation, GIC, general insurance corporation, AUM, assets under management, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, LSE, London Stock Exchange, NYSB, New York Stock Exchange, FII, Foreign Institutional Investor, NAV, Net Asset Value, BOI, Bank of India, SCB, Scheduled Commercial Bank, ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme, PPF, Public Provident Fund, EPF, Employee Provident Fund, CP, Commercial Paper, CD, Certificate of Deposit, T-bill, Treasury bill, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE, National Stock Exchange, GDP, Gross Domestic Products, ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, FOF, Fund of Funds,